Hi, good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing well at your home. So, today we are going to learn a new lesson, and its name is What Makes You Special. Before going to that chapter, we can do one activity. So, this is a picture and it contains some animals, okay, and something is there which is not right, and we are going to find out six things are there. It's not correct. Now just look into this picture and find out what all the things. Children, just look at here what these snakes are doing. Usually snakes are used to crawl on the ground, isn't it? But in this picture they are just flying in the sky. Isn't it correct? So this is wrong. Now can you find out what? Yes. Who is this? Who fishes are here? But why they are sitting on the ground? Sorry, why they are sitting on the branch of the tree? So that is also wrong. They are used to be in the water, isn't it? So here in this picture, snakes are flying. Sorry, children. So snakes are flying. Okay, something is there. Okay. So snakes are flying and fishes are sitting on the tree. Then here what? Huh? Can you find out anything? Yes, here cats are there. Two cats are there, and now they are just what they are they are doing. Yes, they are hanging upside down, isn't it? So it's also wrong. Then here just look. This tiger is just looks like a hippopotamus. It just looks like a hippopotamus, isn't it? So it's also wrong. So now we found 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we have to find out two more wrong things. Yes, one more is here. Just look this. Now this goat has just stripes on its body, just like yes, just like zebra. Usually zebras have what? That stripes, this black stripes on his body. Here the goat has, so it's also wrong. Now can you find out another one? Yes, just look here. One tiger is here, and what is it doing? Huh? Yes, it is eating flowers. So it's also wrong. So what all the wrong things that we find out from the picture? Yes, first one is snakes. Here in this picture, snakes are flying. Then fishes are sitting on the branch. Then this tiger is eating flower. Then this tiger is just looks like a hippopotamus, isn't it? Then what? Then two cats are hanging upside down, and here this goat has stripes on its body just like zebra. Okay, did you like this activity? Then now we are going to learn this chapter. And in this chapter we are going to meet some characters. So who is the first one? Who are you? So one character is here. One character is here. Who are you? Just ask that character. Who is it? Just ask. Yes. Hey, who are you? My children want to know who are you. Are you smiling? I just ask you. Huh? Let's introduce yourself. Okay? Just look. That character is saying something. Just listen to it. I am a turtle. What makes you special? I have the shiniest shell of all the turtles in the world, and What that turtle is saying? It has the shiniest. Shiniest means it's shining, very brightening. Shiny. Shell means what? Shell is the hard cover. Okay. Shell is the hard covering of a turtle's body. Turtle's back has a hard covering. This hard covering protect turtle from the enemies. Okay. So who is it? The first character? It's a turtle and it has the shiniest shell of all the turtles in the world. North, south, east, west of all the turtles, I am the best. So this turtle is saying, you just go and search in the north, in the south, in the east and the west. You will not find any turtle just like me. Why? Because my shell is the most shiniest shell in the world. You can't find out any turtle just like me. I am very special and this is my specialty. So now we met turtle. Now who is just sitting here and it's smiling? We can ask, who are you? I am a cheetah. So who is it? Say cheetah. What makes you special? You are just smiling. Tell me, what's your speciality? I run the fastest. You know, children, cheetah is the fastest animal in the world. So I am the fastest of all the cheetahs in the world. All the cheetahs are fastest, that you know. But among that cheetahs, I am the fastest. If you make a race between all the cheetahs, I will be the first. I will be the winner. Okay. That is what our cheetah is saying. North, south, east, west of all the cheetahs, I am the best. So, first of all, we met one character and it was a turtle and it says that it has the shiniest shell of all the turtles in the world. And you can't find out any turtle just like this. And next one we met cheetah. And cheetah is saying it is the fastest cheetah among all the cheetahs. Okay, clear? Next one we met another animal, another character. Who is that? It's also smiling. Who is that? Yes, it's an elephant. But we can ask, who are you? I am an elephant. What makes you special? I have the brightest memory of all the elephants in the world. North, south, east, west of all the elephants, I am the best. So, you know, children, elephants have the brightest memory among all the animals. And here our friend, our character, this elephant is saying that it has the brightest memory of all the elephants in the world. If you make a list of the brightest if you make a list of all the elephants and if you are going to find out which elephant has the brightest memory, you are not going to find out anyone. Why? Because I am the brightest. Okay, clear, children? So, once more. So, first we met turtle. And it has a shiniest shell of all the turtles in the world. Next we met cheetah and it is the fastest among all the cheetahs. And then we met elephant. And it has the brightest memory of all the elephants in the world. Okay, children, next class we will meet another 3 characters. So today what you are going to do? You have to take this page and you have to just put a circle on the wrong things using your pencil. Okay, don't use color pen or anything like that, just use your pencil and you have to read this one. Okay, you read this page. Okay, children. So today this is enough for you. We can meet on the next class. We can meet next class with another three characters. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.